Laid out here is the Gen 3 front sump coyote conversion kit. So why is this needed? So in cases with the Gen 3, they have the big plastic composite oil pans, and they're just too big for a lot of different restoration projects, resto mod trucks, Mustangs, Broncos. They're just not going to work. So cases where it does need to be a front sump oil pan for certain suspensions, this is the way to go. And this pan is actually the same as it would be for a Gen 2. So the front sump gives you a lot of extra clearance. We have some dimensions on our website. You have the pickup tube here, and you could actually go on the passenger side or the driver's side. I get around that other side. And then you have the plug here for your oil level sensor, if that's need to be used or not. So what makes this unique is the actual baffling itself. So if I lift this up, it has the trap doors in there to keep the oil channel, but has this extra baffling, as I said, that makes it unique. It has this oil pickup that's TIG welded into it. So it's an integral part of the baffling itself, and doesn't require an O-ring like the Gen 2. This will go directly into the pump, and there's like a rubber grommet that you should have on the pump itself, and that'll go right up in place. So it feels like it's an interference fit when you mount this up. So I'm just going to stick this on here. And according to the instructions, you can use RTV on the bottom of this baffle and then on top, and then bolt it up with these studs. Or you could use I think you could use the rubber molded factory gasket. Probably give you a little better opportunity to seal it up properly. So there you have it, all available at tdmotion.com.